When you think of an airplane or the equipment used in hospitals, the parts are probably not the first thing that comes to mind. And I'm not saying that these are those specific parts, but there is a company out in Monticello, Ultra Machining Company, that designs those specific parts to make sure everything runs smoothly. And today, for our behind the scenes series, we're going to tour that facility and show you how they make those individual parts so everything operates as it should.
We're a precision manufacturing company, and we work specifically in hard-to-turn metals.
Whether it's parts for a jet engine or pieces of medical devices, the team at UMC is up for any challenge.
We really focus on those parts that are small enough that you can hold in your hand and really tight tolerances in heavy regulated industries.
UMC President Eric Gibson says when they get an order, the engineering team focuses on the best way to design it.
We'll 3D print the part for them. We'll talk through how it's going to be held. We might run some prototype pieces for them, but this will get them started so that they know working with UMC they're going to get what they want to get.
The metals used to make the parts are then sent to a specific machine for cutting, like the Charons.
These are a high RPM machine. They can cut very quickly, and we do a lot of repeat parts on these machines.
The Swiss machine.
This is usually smaller parts that we need to turn, so they're not big parts.
Or the EDMs.
They're quite unique because these use electrified wire in a solution to basically cut the metal.
Once the pieces are cut, they are then inspected to make sure everything is in order. Then the parts are sent for a thorough cleaning.
We send all of these parts through these wash lines, both ultrasonically and chemically, to clean them, so that when we go through the polishing and buffing process, we don't see any discolorization on those parts at all.
Then each piece is buffed, packaged, and shipped out to their destination.
We ship several hundred boxes a day all across the country. At any given time, there may be 3 or 4 of us back here packaging parts.
Gibson says with the business they are in, they pride themselves in making sure everything is done right.
Whether it's on the medical device side going into patients, or whether it's jet engine parts that are flying our families around the country, there's no room for error on any of those, and we take it very seriously.
Reporting from Monticello, Alex Swikowski, WJON News.